here. Thank you so much for joining me today. As a reminder, filming all of these videos on the 2nd, so that's why you keep seeing this. In today's video, I have my first update for I Heart the 90s or I Love the 90s. This was created by Laura. There are 40 prompts related to the 90s. You work on between 8 and 10. It's rolling style, randomized, all the things. It's a Fantastic Ladies collab, and as you guys know, I keep put everything in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So when I started this project, I introduced all 40 products. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. So, and the reason why I did that is that way, once I finish something in a different project, etc., I can roll in whatever's next on the list. So there are going to be a couple of products that I started that weren't chosen last update. So let's get started. We're going to start with the first one, which was chosen last update, and that's this. This is for Smells Like Teen Spirit, a scented product. This is the Body Shop Shea hand cream. Love the scent. Excuse me, it was brand new when we started, and I've marked it here. I'm honestly surprised this was not an empty, but it'll be an empty for next time for sure. And my goal is to finish it. One that I brought in, I don't think this was rolled in. I think I brought this in. This is the Ulta Brow Gel. My goal is to finish this. I had just finished the ColourPop one. So I didn't weigh this when I started it, but right now it's weighing in at 12. So we'll track it by weight. I'm sure it's not going to go down a whole lot. I have it in my brows, use it every single day. I love it because of the little spoolie. I know some people don't like the little spoolie, but I like it. I mean, I don't have a whole lot of eyebrows, so everything you see is pencil. A dark pencil, but that's a story for a different project. Okay, next we have Friends, a product you took a break from and then got back into using. So that was this. This is the Beekman Dream Booster Drops. This is their retinol. I made a new mark, but they're basically together. I normally use this about 4 times a week. I haven't really done that over the last few weeks. Plus I'm filming this update early, so I don't have a full month of progress. But, and this is going to take a while. I think I said the last one took 6 or 7 months. So we have a while to go. This one was already started, but we still have a few months to go. So yeah, goal is to finish that. And again, that was for Friends. Next, we have Save by the Bell, a product that helps your makeup last longer. And I've brought in this. This is the Maybelline Studio Fix Setting Spray. This started at $113. It is now $96. I've mentioned before that I like to double spray. I like to start with a spray like this that's for like keeping your makeup going, and then I end with one that is illuminating. So enjoying this. I don't have a formed opinion yet, but it's getting use. That's what matters. Pokemon. This was also one that I don't think rolled in, but I brought it in. This was a product that reminds you of your favorite Pokemon. I had the little green guy, so I picked this. This is the Pharmacy Clearly Green Cleansing Balm. So it doesn't have a whole lot of use because I was finishing up a Clinique one and a e.l.f. one. Spoiler alert, I actually really like the e.l.f. I don't know. I didn't do them side by side. I probably should have. I still enjoy this one a lot, but I do like the e.l.f. and I'm interested in trying the one from Shop Miss A that I hear everybody talk about. So yeah, this is this. Next was a product that is part of your morning routine. Those Bud Light and Budweiser commercials of the 90s were so irritating. They're not any better now. Yeah, they're not any better now. Okay, so I picked the Cider Whipped Soap Scrub, so it's part of my hygiene routine. These are from Bath Bevies. They are 8 ounces, so they are on par with the Tree Hut. While the Tree Hut is a larger granule and it's just a scrub, this is a smaller granule and it's also a soap. So I really did enjoy this. The scent was okay. It doesn't remind me of cider though, but I've already got another one in my shower. These retail for $15, but if you're part of her Facebook group, which I will have linked in the description box down below, she does an inventory sale about every 2 months. We should have one coming up pretty soon, and these sell for $9 a piece instead of $15. Oh, that's an empty. That's an empty. Next we have Cowabunga, which is a beach themed product, which is kind of funny since Cowabunga is also Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, but Anyway, this was a beach themed product and I had brought in this. This is the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. If you saw my empties, you heard me lament about how I hate this smell now. I'm not even gonna smell it. My taste buds have changed, my sense of smell has changed, and this is just not a scent that my body gets along with right now. So I wouldn't repurchase this anyway because it's kind of expensive, but I don't mind getting them as kits, samples, etc. But yeah, we gotta take a break. We on a break. We're on a break. Okay, next is Miss Cleo, a product you feel like a ripoff. I mentioned that it's not necessarily that the product is bad, it's just I wouldn't spend $79 on it. This is the It Confidence in a Cream. This is my nighttime moisturizer. This started at $217, it's now at $199. I don't need much of this, number one. And number two, I mix in those Dream Booster Drops from Beekman, so it thins it out. So I really don't need very much. So this is probably going to take me a while, but it's good. I just don't know that it's $79 good. So buy it on sale. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Next we have a butterfly clips, which is cute packaging, and I brought in this. This is the Shop Miss A Sugar Scrub. I have used this one time, and this is going to take me all year. And the issue is, since I've started using the Laneige Sleeping Mask, I no longer really need to exfoliate my lips. So I've got one use on it. It's probably going to take me 6 months, but we're gonna power through. This will be done by the end of the project. It's just not gonna be done right now. So yeah. And it's not like the cutest thing I've ever seen, but it fit the bill at the time. Next, we have a gel pens, pastel product or packaging, and I had brought in this. This is the Nomad Tokyo palette, and I had the goal of using every shade one time. So I'm currently have this gray and my Panos eyeshadows, but I've used this orange, this pink, this yellow, this orange. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more shadows to use, so probably, I don't know, 2, 3 looks. So I'm enjoying this palette. These are powdery, super powdery. I didn't realize just how powdery the mattes would be, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay. Last but not least, Surge, which is green product packaging. I brought in this. This is the Matrix Normalizing Clean Reset Shampoo. This is a clarifying shampoo. This started at $369. It's only $332. Number one, I only use this once a week, but number two, I was trying to finish that Not Your Mother's shampoo and conditioner, and I was only using that the last couple of weeks of January. So this didn't get much love. It is about halfway. And I went ahead and picked up a liter when Ulta just had them on sale. I love the Matrix scent and I love the Matrix formula. So yeah, definitely something that I don't mind keeping around. So we are going to do 3 prompts. And I have my 2 to 41. This is going to be the same like what was it called? Child of the 80s, so we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna do 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, first is number 12, and again, if I've already started working on that, I will re-row. 12 is clueless, a product you were clueless on how to apply when you first got into makeup. Number 40, I'm working on. 41 is a food themed product. Mark these. Let me mark these with a different color. Okay, we're gonna roll again. 32. I'm going to re-roll for that because that is a, I have a body splash, no, not splash, body wash. And I'm already working on 2 basically full-size ones. So let's go again. 22. Bop It, a product with a packaging that pumps, twists, or pulls. Okay, let me go grab these and I will be right back. This one is for no scrubs. And that is a product that you want out of your life. And I brought in this. This is the Body Shop Chamomile. It's supposed to be waterproof. An eye makeup remover. It doesn't remove anything. It's basically just water. So there, you can see where we started and where we are now. I use this in here so when I clean up my eyes before I put on my face makeup, etc. So yeah, moving, cruising. The goal is to finish this. Okay. Clueless, a product you were clueless on how to apply when you first got into makeup. And honestly, when I very first got into makeup, I didn't wear eyeshadow. And it's only been within the last 3 years that I really started playing with eyeshadow and really enjoying playing with color, wearing eyeshadow, etc. So for this prompt, I brought in this. This is the Clinique. Oh, I broke it. Good job, Misty. Wanna go back in? This is the Clinique Starlight eyeshadow palette. So we've got 2 shimmers. They're supposed to be shimmers. So that's what they look like. This is what they look like on the hand. And this is valued at $25. My initial goal is going to be to hit pan. If I can do that pretty quickly, then I will go ahead and try to finish them. I am working on 56 other eyeshadows, but I feel like these are ones that will mix. Hopefully they will mix. We'll see how it goes. If I get to the point where I don't like it, I will just go ahead and send this along to Project Beauty Share. So we'll see how we do, and I will update you guys on that next month. Was a Bop It, a product with packaging that pumps, twists, or pulls, and I'm going to bring in this. This is the No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. This is brand new. I got this in a BoxyCharm a few years ago. Smelling it to make sure that it smells good. It's brand new. I will weigh this and my goal will be to finish it. And then last but certainly not least is Dunkaroos, a food themed product. I'm bringing in this. This is the Honey Grail face oil from a pharmacy. This is brand new. Never been used, clearly, because it's in the box. So my goal is going to be to finish this. So I will mark this and show you progress as we go. Again, I will count uses on this and see how we do. If it's just to the point where I feel like it would be wasteful for me to use it and I might as well just pass it along, I will absolutely do that and pick something else maybe. But yeah, so that's it. So bringing in 3, we've got the No Problem, we've got the Honey Grail, and then we've got this sad excuse for an eyeshadow palette. But that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't already, I hope you will consider subscribing. I think that's it. Hopefully Dallas survived the snowstorm. You guys will know before I do because that's in my future, and this video is in my future and it's in my past too. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go. I love your faces. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.